In this video, I'm going to show you how we like to install our hip ridge caps or installing our hip shingles. Now, generally, the manufacturer just calls for a straight installation like this that you can see it kind of sticks out from the corners. We don't personally like to do this. We've come up with a new detail that we think really is a lot better, looks nicer, and I think increases wind rating drastically. What we're going to do is actually turn these shingles around and cut some excess off. Depending on the pitch of your roof, the idea is to cut these tabs off and to fold them underneath the shingles and seal them underneath here. That does two things. First of all, it gives you a nice clean finish, and it also mechanically essentially fastens, locks this shingle in so that it doesn't lift up. I'm gonna let Marco finish this and you can see how it's done. So you can see what we've done. We've fabricated this corner so that we're going to fold it underneath here and have a nice clean finish, as well as hooking underneath shingles. Now you can hook it underneath, or you can just start it flat on top. So either way works. If you want to start it flat on top, which is what I'm going to do in this video, is pretty much install some mastic along here on this corner. And what this is going to do is twofold. It's going to stop the wind uplift, as it's also going to seal water from getting blown into that corner. All right, and that's how we like to install our first hip cap. Then we're going to continue up from here, just like we regularly would. If you don't know how to install the rest of your hip caps, you can watch another video and I'll show you how. Guys, thanks for watching. We've got a lot of other videos on shingle roof installation. If we're missing something, let us know. We'd love to show you how to properly do the things that you want to do. Like, subscribe, and again, if you have any questions, let us know below.